Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how to make homemade ginger garlic paste that can last for at least 6 months. This method is so easy and simple, and I'll be showing you 2 methods on how to preserve your ginger garlic paste. Stay tuned. To make the ginger garlic paste, I'll start by peeling the ginger. You can use the back of the spoon to peel off the ginger skin. Remove the garlic from the pod. Then with the knife, I'll cut out the edge of the garlic and peel off the skin. We'll continue with this process until I peeled all the garlic. Done peeling all the garlic and the ginger, I'll be cutting the ginger into smaller pieces for easy blending. Cut the garlic into smaller pieces. When I'm done cutting, I'll add into a blender and blend into smooth paste. While still blending, I will stop and mix it to grind properly. And continue blending. Paste is semi-fine. I will stop the blender, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The salt is a natural preservative. A teaspoon of turmeric is a natural antibacterial. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I will blend to mix properly. When I'm done blending, you can add the paste into a clean glass jar or container and put in the fridge. Always use clean and dry spoon whenever you want to use it. Still add a little oil on top, and you will notice that using this method, your ginger paste garlic will last longer and fresh. For the second method, you can freeze it and store in a freezer. Put the garlic and ginger paste in the freezer for about 2 hours. When it's frozen, I'll put into a bag and store in the fridge again. Use this ginger and garlic paste to cook your meat, stew, or anything you like to add ginger and garlic paste in it. How to use the frozen ginger and garlic paste. Whenever you want to cook, bring it out from the freezer and add straight into the food. You don't need to defrost it. To try this method because it's so easy and simple. Thank you all for watching.